Yung anak ko, tinuturoan ko eh. Sabi ko, simple lang. You buy a ball pen for 80 pesos, you sell it for 100 pesos, so you get an income of 20. Diba? Now, if you want to expand and buy more ball pens, so maglo-loan ka. So how much do you need? You just need to buy the number of, yung sa inventory mo. Aside from your capital, na dapat meron kayo 20 pesos mo, pwede mo gamitin capital yon. But syempre kung volume na, meron ka dapat na-compute mo na magkano magiging cost mo, that's the amount lang that you should borrow or even less. Para meron ka pang, as soon as you get to sell it, then andyan naman yung income mo that you can plow back to the business para magamit mo na naman for your working capital.
Ganda na example mo. Ganda. Sana ma-absorb natin yan, mga kapartner. Or